Hi guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I'm sitting in my 2015 Jeep Renegade and I'm going to show you how to change the units on the car. So I actually lent this car to a friend and he found it quite annoying, the units I had it set up on, but I showed him how easy it is to actually change. So coming down to the center console here, we're just going to press this cog button, which is the settings button, and that will load up this screen here, and then we've just got units. Now for the units you can have it on miles or kilometers, and then that actually changes your fuel consumption one there. And when you've got it on kilometers, you can have it as kilometers per litre or litres per 100 kilometers, and then obviously if you have it on miles, it's just miles per gallon. Now the next one is tyre pressure. So this is also where your warnings could come up, and it depends on how you tend to actually inflate your tyres. I use PSI, but you could have kPa or bar as well. And then of course you've got the degrees Celsius and Fahrenheit for your temperatures as well. Nice and easy to change. So set it up to how you want it, and then as soon as you hit this X here, that actually will set up all of your units for both screens. So there we go, that's how easy it is to change all of the units on a 2015 Jeep Renegade. If you found this video helpful, please give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.